The art of filling watermelon with beautiful colors evokes a poetic blend of culinary creativity and visual artistry. This concept can be interpreted in a few compelling ways, depending on your intention. Visual art interpretation, mediums, watercolor, digital art, colored pencil, or mixed media. Concept artists depict watermelons not just in natural red, but with imaginative inner colors, rainbow gradients, galaxy swirls, floral patterns, or abstract splashes. Theme symbolizes joy, diversity, and the surprise within the ordinary. Example idea, a sliced watermelon where the inside reveals a night sky with stars, or a bouquet of flowers instead of the usual red flesh. Culinary art interpretation, mediums, fruit carving, jello, dyed fillings, layered desserts. Concept, fill a hollowed-out watermelon rind with colorful fruit salad, multi-layer gelatin, or even naturally dyed creams to make a rainbow-like centerpiece. Theme merges aesthetic beauty with edible delight,